Well, it's been quite a long time. I've always talked about getting a skid steer, and well, new year, Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. Stopped here at Quick Trip to pick up my buddy, and we're headed about an hour away to go check out a skid steer. So come along with us and let's go check out a skid steer. Maybe we might end up picking up the skid steer and bringing it home. Maybe we might not. There's Roger. He's gonna be the right hand man here. He wanted a long john, so he got a long john. Well, I'm not used to the whole video thing. I mean, I've got a few videos on here, but I'm not used to doing the whole video thing and videoing purchases and whatnot. But we've got the new toy. So we're gonna get it loaded up and get it on the trailer, get it home, get used to it, and then we'll be in business. We got this nice John Deere to do some work with. We're gonna get it loaded up here. Go ahead, take video of me falling off.
You know what you're doing?
I think so.
Did you watch that YouTube video? In case he does fall off it, we'll have it on camera mode anyways. One step at a time. Building the pieces, creating the foundation, establishing the business, all in the means of production. May need a little air in that tire. You
Looks like I'm about center, hey? I got enough tongue weight?
no? You should come forward a couple feet.
Couple feet?
Yeah.
Alright.
See how your tongue stays. Doesn't seem like that's latched.
All loaded up. We gotta go up to the gas station and get some air in the tires on the passenger side of the trailer, and we're headed back home.